where you at?
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I construct a frontal wig for beginners. I'm going to be using a body wave 14-inch frontal with bundles 16, 18, and 20. To purchase this unit or purchase these bundles, I will have the link down below in the description box. But if you want to see how I make this wig, then continue watching. Also, if you want to learn how I bleach the knots and customize my frontal hairlines, I have a previous video on my channel that you can check out as well. To start out my wig, I'm using a doe mesh cap that I got from my local beauty supply and using T-pins that you could also get from your local beauty supply or Amazon. And I'm going to grab my frontal and place it a little bit in front of the wig cap. I don't want the hairline to be directly on top of the beginning of the wig, just a little bit forward. And I'm using my T-pin to pin it down. Then I'm going to turn the wig around and pin the back of it. Now I'm going to show you guys how I sew down my frontal. I've already completed the right side, but I do the same exact thing on the left. I remove the T-pin and I take my needle and I go under the frontal and pull straight through.
Hey, Audrey, where you at?
I'm going to go through again with my needle, stop halfway, take my thread and wrap around my needle twice just for security when I finish sewing. Once you complete that first knot, you can continue to sew down until you reach the end of the frontal. Pinned up my first row. I'm just going to go in with my regular sewing. I'm going to go over and through, and I keep doing that method until I reach the top. Once you reach to like a C shape at the top, you want to start going horizontally all the way up until you reach to the frontal.